Wow, Sage.
No, no, no!
Our Leese mattress just arrived today. Kind of cute, but not exactly what we need. Is this even close right? Oh, there we go. Oh, he likes opening the drawers. Wow, Sage. I like this chair. $9.79. Maybe like a side chair for the guest bedroom. Whoa. Okay. Okay, so I am in the room that was once our office, but we are going to be making this room into a guest bedroom, basically, which is what we had originally intended for this room to be. But then we ended up like needing an office, so we kind of like transitioned to that. We got rid of like the sleeper sofa that we had, but now we're making it a bedroom again because we have guests staying with us during the wedding. And honestly, it just like, it feels a lot more peaceful to have this room as a bedroom instead of an office. So we went thrifting today to find a table, and this is the one that we ended up with. I'll show you guys in 1 second. And then I'm gonna be doing a little bit of decorating in here, and we have a bed on the way, which should be arriving next week. So I'm going to be just kind of like vlogging the process of decorating this room into a guest bedroom. Okay, so this is the table that we ended up getting, the little nightstand. So I wanted something that had like a drawer and a little shelf just to be able to like decorate it and stuff. And this one was kind of like the perfect size. So we'll have the full bed right here. It's probably gonna have to go this way. The nightstand's gonna have to go this way a little bit more, I would imagine. I was trying to keep it off the door a little bit just because the walkway there is kind of awkward, but this is the wall that makes like the most sense for the bed, because otherwise it's like we've got these windows and then this wall is not really big enough for a bed, and then plus like the closet's right there. So clearly, you're excited? Clearly that's going to be the best wall for it. And then we have this boho like shelf stand basically that we thrifted like quite a bit ago. I can't remember, honestly. I get kind of confused on where and when we got stuff, but we've had this for a while. So that I think is going to be perfect on this wall. We put up that macrame hanger with the plant. So I'm going to be decorating this basically. This is all going to go in the closet. So I will show you guys what this ends up looking like. We're thinking of maybe doing like a wicker palm fan design on this wall. So yeah, I'm just gonna vlog the process. So right now I'm gonna make room in this closet to put some of this stuff in there basically.
You don't need that. DVDs, you don't need that. Yes. Okay, you leave it. You leave it. What are you doing? No, no, no.
few things to decorate this little boho stand with, and or like the nightstand. So, okay, well actually some of this is for our wedding. We picked up this really pretty like amber glass vase, like in this kind of like irregular shape, as something decorative that we can put florals in for the wedding. We also picked up this pretty little candlestick holder, which is like very like Southwestern Bohemian, like little ceramic candlestick holder, but we thought we would pick this up as like a vase for like a little smaller floral piece, basically, like for like a bud or something. Would be pretty in that for like the tablescapes. But for this room specifically, I picked up this little basket that I'm gonna put either there or on the nightstand. This was only $1.50, so just something to put like little things in, decorative things in for the, or just organizing, like that kind of thing. Look cute on the shelves. And then this basket as well, same thing, but it's this really nice size and it's in this really pretty sage green color. So actually like all three of these things like look super cute together color-wise. So that's kind of what I have in mind basically, is like this will be a little decorative storage basket to go on that shelf, too big to go under here. Yeah, so this was $1.50, and then the table itself, the nightstand, was actually only $7.79, so like $8. I cannot beat that. And I didn't want to get something like brand new or expensive. We just needed something that would like do the job basically. And then this one actually does kind of have like the right vibe with like the wicker basket that pulls out and the cute little like leather strap. So that was a really great find. It's a little bit banged up, but you know, it does the job basically. So I'm gonna decorate this really quick, not fully, but you know, style it a little bit basically. There we go. And this little basket. Okay, so that's just like leaving it there for now, but I want to get like another little plant to maybe go down here or like on top, or maybe a plant like in a plant stand to go in one of these corners or something. So that's kind of what we got going on so far, but I'll show you guys the progress throughout the week.
Our Leese mattress just arrived today and the bed frame arrived a few days ago. So we're going to be getting this unboxed and set up in the guest bedroom so that we can finally finish decorating. I am super excited to get this unboxed and to get the room all set up.
Okay, so Sage is taking a nap, so we are gonna try to get our new bed for the guest bedroom set up. We have a bed frame and the Leese mattress that we are about to unbox and then try to figure out how it's gonna best fit in this space.
So we're thinking on this wall is going to be the best spot for it. So we just need to basically get it set up and figure it out.
This was the wrong thing to wear. Okay, got a lot of parts here. Screws. Where's this? Oh shit. Second time. Toes are going smashed today. Far down. My toes. My toes. My toes.
I'm not trying to push it too far, just in case.
Yeah.
Next is the legs, I think. So you have to flip that over now. So you can pull that one there like that, I think. And then screw it in.
could go more this way actually.
This way.
What do you think? I think too, like the nightstand, we don't want it to feel too crowded walking in.
Mm-hmm.
It's not too bad. The nightstand could go this way a bit more. So then maybe you would want the bed scooched like a hair that way. There's enough room here, probably. Maybe just like a hair. Okay, does that look like that?
Because somebody's gonna be sleeping right here, so.
Yeah, you're right. So if they're heading up, okay.
So it's gotta be like at least right here.
Okay, let's do that.
Is that a little bit better? Is that okay?
Okay, so it has been over a week. We had to order some pillows and get a few things together for the guest bedroom. I wanted to quickly show you guys how the room has turned out, but I also want to mention that this is not necessarily my best decorating job or like my dream scenario for this room. I kind of just wanted to, we didn't want to buy a bunch of things for this guest bedroom. We kind of just wanted to use things that we already had. So repurposing decor that we've thrifted and also using some of the decor that we have actually handmade ourselves, which I will show you guys. So nothing new was bought for this room other than thrifting that nightstand, which was $8 from Goodwill, and the couple of baskets that I had thrifted. But the mattress and the bed frame are new. They are from Leese, so a big thank you to Leese for sponsoring us and sending us a bed and a bed frame for our guest bedroom makeover. So this is a makeover on a budget, if you will. But let me go ahead and show you guys the room. Okay, so here is this wall. So as you guys can see, we have our new Leese bed frame and mattress, and we actually hung up a palm fan from the palm fans my parents gave us from their backyard for our wedding. We thought one would look really pretty above the bed, so Andrew hung that up for me. That lamp was actually from my parents' house. It was in their home when they bought it. It is pretty big, so it kind of takes up this whole nightstand, but that's okay. There's not really much that is needed here anyway. So just a little lamp in like that Southwestern style. That's the nightstand we thrifted. I added a few books and a little basket just for like organization. This was a thrifted tapestry from Goodwill that Andrew found. That was like 13 bucks, very Southwestern as well. Cowhide rugs from Columbia, which I've had. Parachute home linens also, which I have had. This blanket, which was thrifted in Washington. So all things that we already had. And then over here on this wall, we have that boho rattan not plant stand. And then over on this wall, we have the closet and this boho rattan stand, which we thrifted when we first moved in together. I think that was like $8 or something. We hung this wall hanging, which I do need to iron out. This is one of the wall hangings that we made ourselves for Wilder Mercantile, our handmade goods shop. That was something that Andrew and I made custom, and then these as well. So these little stands, one is meant for like florals, as you guys can see there, and this one is made for like plant cuttings or florals as well. It comes with a little clear vase. So we have quite a few of those for sale in our Etsy shop. If you guys want to check it out, I will leave the link below. So we wanted to kind of just like be able to display some of the things that we have made as well. And then just a few thrifted finds in this corner. We will be using that vase for our wedding decor as well. Another little organizational basket and blankets down there. A new plant, which I still need to pot in there with more soil. And sadly, that plant in the corner is not doing super well. Both of these were getting like too much sun. at one point. So we had to move this over here, it was over there, and then that one is still recovering basically. Okay guys, so that is it for the guest bedroom makeover. I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also be sure to check out my last video, which was actually a thrifted haul of everything that we thrifted for our wedding, which is in a month. So be sure to check that one out if you guys like thrifting and interiors, decor, all that good stuff. You will probably like that video. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and that you have your bell notifications turned on so that you'll be notified whenever I have a new video. Also, be sure to check me out at The Urban Darling on all socials and my blog, theurbandarling.com as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.